In the diagram, incident ray, reflected ray and normal drawn at the point of incident is given. Here A vector, B vector and C vector are unit vector. Angle of incidence and angle of reflection is theta. Then B vector is equal to A vector plus 2 in bracket minus A dot C into C vector. Now prove here. A, B, C are unit vectors, so magnitude is 1. C vector is unit vector lying in the direction of positive y-axis, so C vector is equal to j caret. Now consider two components of A and B. A vector makes an angle theta with y and 90 minus theta with x-axis. So x component is A sin theta I caret and y component is A cos theta minus j. So A vector is equal to A sin theta I minus A cos theta j, but A is unit vector, so value is 1. So A vector is sin theta I minus cos theta j, equation number 1. B makes an angle theta with y and 90 minus theta with x-axis. So x component of B is B sin theta I caret and y component is B cos theta j caret. So B vector is B sin theta I caret plus B cos theta j caret, but value of B is 1. So B vector is equal to sin theta I caret plus cos theta j caret, equation number 2. Now take the dot product of A and C. A vector dot C vector. Magnitude of A is 1, magnitude of C is 1. Angle between A and C is 180 minus theta. See the diagram here. Angle between A and C is 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So A dot C is minus cos theta, equation number 3. Now equation 2 minus equation 1. B minus A. Sin theta is cancelled. Cos theta j minus minus plus cos theta j. That is 2 cos theta j. Now substitute cos theta is equal to minus A dot C from equation 3 here. So B vector minus A vector is 2 in bracket minus A dot C into j, but j caret is equal to C vector here. So B vector is equal to A vector plus 2 in bracket minus A vector dot C vector into C vector. Thank you.